Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many of you might have faced, the missing rear drive axle mounting bolt. Let's dive right in. So, you've noticed that your backhoe is missing a crucial rear drive axle mounting bolt. Fear not, because we've got you covered. We've got a brand new set of bolts, washers, and nuts, all ready to install. Now, here's a quick tip. Always keep a spare set of these bolts handy, just in case. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later when you need to replace one. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Stay safe, and see you next time.